Legends of Learning presents the Political Path Game. This is a history game that makes learning about political parties fun and easy to understand. In this informative instructional game, play with 3 other politicians on a Monopoly-style board game where political decisions will affect your political path. Roll the dice and gather supporters for establishing a political party. Use the mouse to click on the Roll Dice button and click to select cards that affect different areas of forming a political party. Read interesting laws that affect the way political parties are established and run. Complete all the levels to win the game. Have fun and enjoy playing.